What's up, guys? This is John at Refurb Kings. Black and blue pop sockets, white and blue pop sockets. Give us a call, 859-233-0754. Again, our number is 859-233-0754. We specialize in Apple iPhone repair, Samsung Galaxy repair, Apple tablet repair, MacBook repair, iMac repair, computer, laptop repair. Give us a call, 859-233-0754. Again, our number is 859-233-0754. Free quotes over the phone. Most Apple iPhone repairs are done in 30 minutes to an hour. No appointment needed. Drop off is preferred. Again, this is John at Refurb Kings. Give us a call, 859-233-0754. Stay safe and be kind. Peace.